Okay, today we're going to talk about the spelling of ow. There's two ways to make it, but we're going to focus on OU makes ow. So we have these words right here. Out, about, about, out, out. So you can practice these spelling words and let me give you 3 more. There we go. Around, and of course the word round is in there. So this is around. I walked around the block. And then if you just take the A off, that's round, like I made a round shape. And then anything that rhymes with that, around, round, found, sound, are all OU words as well. Okay, so last time we reviewed ing makes ing, ang makes ang, ong makes ong, wh makes wa, wr makes le makes aw, and au makes ah. Qu makes qua, and then we have our crazy blend of igh makes I. So you can go over those sounds so that you know them really, really well. And then we also did turnaround facts. So I'm going to do some turnarounds here. Okay, so we don't have a strategy for -7 or -5 or -6. We do have a strategy for -0, -1, -2, -3, -4, anything minus itself like 5 minus 5, and we also have next door neighbors when they're next to each other on the number line. So those are the strategies that we have, but for these ones, I don't have a strategy for it. So we do our turnaround fact where we turn it into an addition problem. We take the small number plus blank equals big number. Small number plus blank equals big number. Small number plus blank equals big number. So you can do some of these. And practice that concept. Okay, I am gonna teach you about, we've done for math, we've done +0, +1, +2, +3, +4. We've done doubles and near doubles. Hopefully those are making great sense to you. And we've done +10 and +9. So today I'm going to teach you about +11 and +12. So we haven't gone that far up yet. We've only gone to 10. So we're going to review our +10 and our +9 strategy just so we can do them all together. So 10 is the most important number here. And that's what we're going to use to figure out +9, which I've already taught you, +11, which is new, and +12. So let's review our 10 + 7, 10 + 6, 10 + 5, 10 + 8, and 10 + 9. So we know that the strategy for tens is to just take the number that we're adding to 10 and put a 1 in front of it. So 10 + 7 is 17, 10 + 6 is 16, 10 + 5 is 15, 10 + 8 is 18, and 10 + 9 is 19. we learned that 9 plus 7 is 1 less than 10 plus 7. 9 plus 6 is 1 less than 10 plus 6. 9 plus 5 is 1 less than 10 plus 5. 9 plus 8 is 1 less than 10 plus 8. And 9 plus 9 is 1 less than 10 plus 9. So if 10 plus 7 is 17, 9 plus 7 is 1 less, that's 16. We can come over here and say, if that's true, then 1 more than 10 is 11. So if 10 plus 7 is 17, 11 plus 7 is 1 more than that. And 12 plus 7 is 2 more than that. So we can use these math facts to really help us by using our 10 strategy. And that helps us a lot. So let me write all of these out and then we can go over them. And then mom or dad can pause the video and you can tell them all about the answers to these. Okay, so 10 plus 7 is 17. 9 plus 7 is 1 less, it's 16. And 11 plus 7 is 1 more, it's 18. 12 plus 7 is 2 more. 2 more than 17 is 19. 10 plus 6 is 16. 9 plus 6 is 1 less. 11 plus 6 is 1 more. 12 plus 6 is 2 more than 10 plus 6. So if 10 plus 6 is 16, 9 plus 6 is 1 less, 15. 11 plus 6 is 1 more, 17. 12 plus 6 is 2 more, that is 16. 10 plus 5 is 15. 9 plus 5 is 1 less. If 10 plus 5 is 15, 11 plus 5 is 1 more, 16. 12 plus 5 is 2 more, it is 17. So you can practice those ones. So you can pause the video and go over those. And then I am going to teach you about these 2 new blends. LY makes Lee. So on your paper, you can write the word Lee, L-E-E, next to it. So if we have this word right here, we're just gonna find the root word. The root word is the word without an ending. So for example, I went to the store, I will walk to the store. Yesterday I walked to the store and I am walking to the store right now. The root word is walk in both of these, and then we just add our ending. So ly is an ending and they are tacked on or added on to regular words. So if we can read the regular word and then put a ly on it, that would be super helpful. So I'm going to write these down. This one I would sound out the root word, glad, gladly. I will gladly walk to the store. S-L-O-W makes O or ow, slough or slow, slow. And then I'm going to put a ly at the back of it. Slowly. This one is real, really, really. Here's the word mad. And then we're going to put a ly on there. This is the word sad. And then I'm going to put a ly on the end of that. Let me find a few more easy ly words. Okay, here's the word quick, quick. If I put a ly on it, it becomes quickly. we can read that word, p-r-o-u-d, proud, and then put a li on the end of it. K-u-ear, and then put a li on it. So you can practice those ones this week. And then we're also gonna do, it's a crazy blend. It's E-I-G-H. Now, you're not gonna believe it, Audrey, but here is the situation. The sound that E-I-G-H makes is crazy. It doesn't even have the letter in it, it's A. So E-I-G-H makes A. Isn't that crazy? So we have 8, and that's like the number 8, not like I ate my lunch. We have this word right here. And then this one has 2 blends. It has A, and then it also has or. So you can work on that one. And then we have this one. And this one. So you can practice all of those words, and we are also going to talk about, for this one, when you have eaten something yesterday, you call it, I ate it yesterday. That is what is called a silent E or a magic E. It means that this E jumps over this letter and says an A sound. So when I ate something, it's this kind of A, silent E. And then this one is E-I-G-H makes A, and that's the number 8. We also have this word right here. We have weigh. That's to weigh something. And then this one is an AY word, like I went down a one-way street, or I will show you the way. And so there are lots of different ways to make A. We have a lot of them. Now we know about E-I-G-H makes A. So far we've learned AI makes A, AY makes A, E-I-G-H makes A, and then a silent E can jump over a letter, and also, so I will just write silent E, where you have a word that ends in E and it jumps over a letter and makes the A say its name. Okay, I am going to give you a little bit more spelling. We have, you are on 110 of our words. I might have given you the first 2. I think I forgot to stop, but that's okay. We can't practice enough. And remember, the way that I taught you to spell was this way right here, where you say the sounds and you write the letters on lines. So our first step is the word cut. We would do ka, t, and then we would fill in those letters. So go ahead and spell. I think I gave you cut and ran last time, but it's okay. We're going to do cut. You can spell that now, writing the lines and then filling in the lines. And then we're going to do ran, and 2 lines. What would go on those 2 lines? Then we're going to do the word 5. So 5 has f, I, v. You can write, some of these are sight words, some of them are blends that you haven't learned. So just try your best, and then mom can correct you and you can write them this week. Next one is 10. So how many lines should n have? Fast. Write the number of lines and then sound it out. Next one is help. Did you help your mom? Help. Next one is saw. I saw my friend this weekend. Next one is hot. Is it hot at your house? How many lines does it have? And then you're going to fill in those sounds. Next one is jump. And then our last one is just. How many lines does it have? And then you can fill in the sounds. Okay, last week we did a lot of these words spelling for the last weeks. So I want you to read this list. These are very easy. Mom can make a list of whatever you miss and you can practice those. These are sight words and sound out words, phonics words. Pause the video. You can read those ones. And then we have this right here. Pause the video. You can read those ones, and then mom and you or dad and you can practice anything you missed on that page. And then we're also going to do the second page. And mom or dad can pause the video and you can read those ones. And then pause the video and read these ones. All right. Since I am not going to see you until the fall, I'm going to go over all the sounds that we've done one last time, and you can practice any that are tricky for you. CK makes k, SK makes sk, CH makes ch, TH makes th, SH makes sh, AN, AM, EE, EA, IE, AY, AI, OE, O. This makes I, A, O, O. ET makes et. AW makes aw. AU makes ah. OY and OI make oi. AR make R. ING makes ing. ANG makes ang. ONG makes ong. SE makes a s or z sound. OW makes o and ow. and OU makes ow. EW and UE both make oo. UR, ER, and IR make OR makes or. IGH makes I. EIGH makes a. QU makes qua. WR makes WH makes wha. LE makes ul. LY makes li. AL makes all. EAR makes ear. AIR makes air. And OLD makes old. So those are all your blends. Practice any that you missed. Mom or dad can, there we go. Test you on those and you can practice any that you missed. Then in the fall, when we come back, my goal is to finish up our blends, to do the rest of the beginning sight words and get you into a chapter book. It'll be very, very exciting. Have a good rest of your summer and I will see you soon, darling. Bye.